Hello everyone, welcome to ARTMIND. This channel is a video series for installing ARTMIND consciousness to art in your brain. In this episode, we're gonna talk about Manet. I'm mute arrow by the way. So let's get started. Edouard Manet is a French painter who was born in Paris in 1832. Please remember Manet because he is very important not only for art history but also for ARTMIND. Nice view. In 1863, when he was 31 years old, Manet became a revolutionary artist who radically changed art history by sending the Luncheon to the Grass to Salon de Paris, the official art exhibition of the Académie des Beaux-Arts. Manet is regarded as the father of modern art. The trigger was the Luncheon in the Grass. Roughly speaking, there are 3 points there. Number 1. Buff painting. As you can see, the artwork was painted so lovely. Manet is clearly bugged because it's different from the common sense at that time, a painting without handwriting. Its ignorance to traditional bodies, however, suggests a critique to its deception, reality of painting. Number 2. Scandal. The neck of empty bottle lying carelessly faces the fruit. The painting became a scandal because of drinking daytime, shameless men and women, and the historical background at that time, that is, Park was famous for its prostitutes. Number 3. Uncanny. The original title of this painting is The Back. Please look at the woman bathing in the back. Manet ignores perspective and paints her in the same tint as the three in front of her. The woman seems an uncanny being, as if she's in a different dimension. Although we've been watching the Luncheon on the Grass, why Manet in the first place here? It's because Manet meets 3 conditions of ARTMIND paradox. ARTMIND paradox number 1. A bad thing is a good thing. Compared to the bodies at the time, what Manet did was not a good thing, but he changed the definition of art and brought us a new perspective. That kind of reversal of good and evil is one of the conditions in art. ARTMIND paradox number 2. Knowing the unknown. The bathing woman depicted in the Luncheon on the Grass is pretty uncanny. Art tells us something you can know in the general reality. We visit at a different world by knowing the unknown like that. ARTMIND paradox number 3. Constant transformation. Manet changed art history drastically. Art has been being a ceaseless change, especially after Manet. The constant transformation is a very important element for system of art. That's all for now. How did you like it? Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.